By default, your Wi-Fi router broadcasts your network name or SSID to all the devices within range. Hiding your Wi-Fi SSID helps add an extra layer of protection to your network. When you hide your network's SSID, only individuals who know your Wi-Fi name and password can connect to it. If they know your Wi-Fi password but don't know the name, they cannot connect to your network. Think of this as double password security, where users have to input two parameters before successfully connecting to your network. It's easy to hide the network's SSID in a TP-Link router regardless of the router model you use. First, log into your router's admin panel by typing the router's IP into your web browser. On your router's admin panel, navigate to the Wireless tab. On the Basic Settings page, uncheck the SSID broadcast box. Click Save. Your network name is hidden now. From now on, it won't be visible to any new device that wants to connect to it. To check if it's working, remove the network from your device. You can see the network doesn't appear in the available networks list. To access the network, you have to manually enter both the Wi-Fi name and password. So guys, this is how you can hide your Wi-Fi network name to prevent unauthorized access from your neighbors. However, avoid using the brand name as the default SSID of your router. Instead, make your router's SSID as long and as random as possible to make it difficult to guess for anyone.